Estelle, and I am going to work with you on composing numbers. This is going to be a quick mini review. So I want you to make sure that you are paying attention and you can use this video whenever you need to. So we're going to be composing numbers today, which means that we're going to be putting them together. So we are going to start with this one here. We need 5 tens and 6 ones. Now you can use base 10 blocks or you can just draw the pictures, whichever one is more comfortable for you. So you start off with getting your tens. So we have 5 of them that we need. All right, so there's our 5 tens, and you're going to need 6 ones. So you need to pull your 6 ones. And then you need to find out what is the value. We know that these are 10s, so we know that they have a value of 10 each. So if you're counting, you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So of course, under 5 tens, you want to write down 50. That is the value of 5 tens. And then 6 ones, we know that they're each worth 1. So we're going to add that together. 50 plus 6, which is 5 tens with the value of 50, and 6 ones with the value of 6 to give us a total value of 56. All right, so we're going to continue on with another one. This one here, I've already kind of created for you. Again, you can use drawing if you need to so that you can do this easier at home. You need 11 tens and 16 ones. And you definitely want to make sure that you're counting out to have 11. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 16 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I double 8, we get what? That's right, 16. So I have my 16 ones right here and my 11 tens. So now we need to think back about what we know. How many tens does it take to make 100? That's right, it's going to take 10. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, those right there have a value of 100. And if I was to skip count by tens, I would see that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then I have another 10 more, which I can continue counting and say that's 100, 110. So the value of 11 tens is 110, plus the value of 16 ones, which I know that this is 1 each. So this is going to give me a value of 16. So what I want to do now is I want to add these two together. 110, which is the value of my tens, and 16 ones, which I'm going to line up correctly. My ones with my ones, and my tens with my tens, and my hundreds with my hundreds if I had any. So of course we're going to add, and we're going to say that we know that this is going to be 6. We have 2 tens, and then we have 100. So that value of 11 tens and 16 ones is going to give me 126. So that is the value of this number here. Last one for a quick review. Going through, you also have to deal with hundreds. So we want to have 3 hundreds, 5 tens, and 6 ones. So you're pulling them out. 100, that's 2, and that's 3. We want 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we've already done part of this on our previous page. We know that this value here of 6 ones is 6 because they're each worth 1. We know that the value of 5 tens is 50 because we are going to count by 10 5 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we also know that each one of these is worth 100. So if I'm saying this is 100, this is 100, and this is 100, then I'm counting using hundreds. So 100, 200, 300. My value of this is 300. So now if I just grab up these values here for each of this, 300s, 5 tens, and 6 ones, it's like working with expanded form. That's 300 plus 50 plus 6 equals, that's right, you guessed it, 356. So the value of 300s, 5 tens, and 6 ones all together gives me a value of 356. I hope this helped you and that you can use it at home. All right, make sure you guys are working and continuing to learn. Have a great day.